Morning guys, wanted to give you a quick update, short video here on this MrCool DIY Minisplit unit. This is the 5th gen unit. Wanted to show you how well it's working this morning. It's really cold. Brr, it is cold outside. Let's go take a look at the MrCool Minisplit. So as you can see right now, it's negative 12 degrees outside. It's not sunny yet, it's still dark out, but negative 12 degrees with 25-mile-an-hour winds. Feels like negative 35 wind chill. She's still chugging along, blowing out cold air. Nothing's frosting over. Let's go take a look inside and see how the heat is working. Whew. It's cold outside, but it's plenty warm in the shop. Let's take a look and see how things are performing. So when I am not out here, I leave the system in what's called freeze protect mode. You can see because the way that it is. That basically keeps the garage above freezing, so I'm saving energy when I'm not out here, but at the same time keeping stuff from freezing that I have over here on the shelves, and it's also better on things like the side-by-side and tractor to keep them warm. So I got the old thermal gun out. Let's see what kind of heat it's putting out this morning. No different than what it was on a normal night. When it's in freeze protect mode, it runs as efficiently as it can to reduce power consumption but still produce enough heat to warm the area. And typically you would see this when it's actually on a little warmer, but it's putting out 60-degree air when it's currently negative 12 outside. Pretty impressive. And this is keeping my 24x24 shop plenty warm. I couldn't be happier with how it's performing. This is typically as cold as it gets out in Iowa. The wind chill's bad. Literally it's negative 35 degrees this morning. But the air temp of negative 14 is about the max we see, maybe negative 18. Other than that, I'm impressed by how this thing is performing, especially with how cold it is outside. I can't be happier with the situation. Now, obviously, is it running more during this cold time to produce the heat? Yeah, it is, but still more efficient and saving me energy compared to this guy here. It's a great heater, but it just takes more power when compared to a heat pump style unit. Also, I've noticed this unit is saving me power. It's hard to kind of quantify because I do have solar as the primary source for the house with grid tied energy when I do run short. But I can tell from my overall year-to-year usage I'm using less, but I don't know exactly how much less because I don't have it tracking inputs and outputs fully through my solar inverter. But I do know it's saving me energy, which is good because then I can repurpose that to the other parts of the property. Hope you guys found this short video informative and helpful. Take care of one another. I'll catch you guys in the next video.